Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to share Excel file in Mail. Open your Excel file. When you do so, click on the Share button, then click on Share again. Here you will click on the line, Get a sharing link. It will be possible to define the type of permission to use, only to view the file or to edit it. Click on Copy in the desired option. Now you can paste this link into your email, and thus the person will have access to the file to be downloaded when they receive the email. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.